Hello everyone, my name is Larry Poltavtsev. I'm a co-founder and one of the instructors of the Learnix Center. We teach people on how to transition from non-IT to IT, to become software testers and quality assurance specialists. Today is the Memorial Day, and we honor all veterans in the United States. We welcome all veterans at our facility. We extend special discounts for veterans, and we have several discharged military veterans who are studying at our center, and we are very proud to support them. Basically, if you are a veteran, we encourage you to take a look at our class, schedule free consultation and appointment, and come and see us, and we can discuss different options that you might exercise. We know that it's very difficult to transition from from military life to civilian life, and we can help. So please talk to us, and it's absolutely free. You can come, you can meet with our instructors. A lot of our instructors are former military people themselves. There are lots of opportunities within the federal government, state and local government where you can apply your skills. A lot of people coming from the military have been trained and have special technical skills that can be very useful, and certain vertical domain knowledge and everything else. So please do come and talk to us, and we'll be happy to see you. There is no obligation, so contact us, and if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to sit down with you and address them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.